Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring this jaw-dropping villa and finding out if it's as luxurious as everyone says. Today, I'm excited to take you on a tour of this stunning luxurious villa, located in one of the most prime areas in the world. As we step inside, you'll be blown away by the villa's breathtaking architecture and design, perfectly blending elegance, comfort, and sophistication. Finding the perfect luxury home can be a challenge. It's a delicate balance between style, functionality, and scenery. You want a place that's not only visually stunning but also comfortable and practical for everyday living. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to wake up to breathtaking views every morning? Many of us have been there, scrolling through real estate websites and property listings, dreaming of our perfect luxury retreat. But when you finally find that place, it's like striking gold. It's a gem that ticks all the right boxes. This villa, in particular, is a masterclass in luxury living, and I'm excited to share it with you. As we navigate the world of luxury real estate, it's easy to get caught up in the glamour and glitz. But at the end of the day, a true luxury home is about more than just opulent decor and flashy features. It's about the sense of comfort, security, and belonging that comes with owning a piece of paradise. Let's start our tour of this incredible villa, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. As we make our way through the property, you'll get to see the exquisite attention to detail, the clever use of space, and the thoughtful touches that elevate this villa from mere luxury to true perfection. As we walk through the villa's grand entrance, you're immediately struck by the sense of grandeur and sophistication. The high ceilings, the sweeping staircase, and the lavish furnishings all come together to create an atmosphere that's both luxurious and welcoming. The living areas are designed to be the heart of the villa, and this one certainly doesn't disappoint. With its floor-to-ceiling windows, stylish furniture, and spectacular views, it's the ultimate space for relaxing, entertaining, or just enjoying a quiet moment to yourself. But the real pièce de resistance is the outdoor spaces, and this villa has some of the most incredible spaces I've ever seen. From the infinity pool that seems to blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape to the private gardens and courtyards, every inch of this property is designed to take your breath away. One of the most impressive features of this villa, in my opinion, is the way it seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. The sliding glass doors, the outdoor kitchen, and the lavish outdoor furnishings all come together to create a sense of continuity and flow that's just incredible. And then, of course, there's the showstopper, the grand, sweeping staircase that curves its way up to the villa's upper levels. It's a dramatic flourish that adds a touch of glamour and sophistication to the entire space. But what really takes this villa to the next level is its unique amenities, from the private gym and spa to the state-of-the-art home cinema and games room. It's clear that the designers of this villa wanted to create a space that's not just beautiful but also functional and practical. As we reach the end of our tour, I want to take a moment to recap just what makes this villa so special. From its stunning architecture to its breathtaking views, this property truly is a masterpiece of luxury living. Thanks for joining me on this epic villa tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you've got any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more luxury home inspiration, don't forget to check out my other villa tours and related content.